apps appears show you.
How to activate FaceTime and iMessage on iPhone. It's super easy process to activate your FaceTime and your iMessage. Just follow these easy steps. First of all, go to your iPhone settings and here scroll down. Tap on Messages and here you will get iMessage. Now to activate iMessage, all you have to need just toggle this switch on next to iMessage and tap on OK and tap on Send and Receive. And here you can receive iMessages to and reply from. You can select your number or your Apple ID. And this is how we can enable or activate iMessage. And now let's see how to enable FaceTime. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on FaceTime. Just toggle this switch on next to FaceTime. Go back from here. Again, tap on FaceTime. And here we can see I've successfully activated my FaceTime. And here you can be reached by FaceTime at you can select your number. Also, here you can add your Apple ID. So this is how we can easily activate FaceTime and iMessage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And please make sure to subscribe to this Tech Dictamin channel. See you in the next video.